Kia ora whanau. Nau mai haere mai ki tēnei wānanga Kapa Haka. Welcome to Kapa Haka for Kids. Ka pai. Another little introduction. My name is Whaitiri Pautawa, but my students call me Matua Whaitiri. Matua is the Māori equivalent for Mr. in this case, because I'm a teacher. Ka pai. But instead of saying Mr. last name, in Te Ao Māori we would say Mr. first name. My first name is Whaitiri. Matua Whaitiri, which translates directly to Mr. Thunder. Ka pai? So you can call me Matua Whaitiri, Mr. Thunder, or Māori Thor. I answer to all three of those. Ka pai? So when I say a mihi at the start of our Kapa Haka, you will respond whatever the mihi I use, and then Matua Whaitiri. So if I say Kia ora tamariki mā, then you'll respond Kia ora Matua Whaitiri. Should we give that a go? Okay. Kia ora tamariki mā. Kia ora Matua Whaitiri. Ka pai. If you were waving, thank you so much for the love. Appreciate it. Whenever we come to Kapa Haka, first thing we always do, we mihi to one another. Ka pai? Now, we're going to get ready. So, flick your shoes off. Ka pai. We always want a Kapa Haka in bare feet, but I'll let you Kapa Haka in socks if you're standing on a chilly surface. Okay? We've done our mihi. Part 2. We need to do a little karakia to get our wairua ready for Kapa Haka. So, here's our karakia. Same as yesterday, kia hora te marino. And here's how we'll do it. I will say the words and do the actions, and then I want you to copy it after me. And then once we've been through the whole karakia, then we'll do it together at the same time. Ka pai? All right. Repeating after me. Kia hora,
Kia hora,
te marino,
te marino,
kia whakapapa,
kia whakapapa,
pounamu,
pounamu,
te moana,
te moana,
kia tere,
kia tere,
te karohirohi,
te karohirohi,
I mua,
I mua,
I tō huarahi,
I tō huarahi,
tihei mauri ora.
Tihei mauri ora.
Kia ora, ka pai. So let's go through that karakia together. Hey? I'll stand on this side. Kia hora te marino toru wha. Kia hora te marino. Kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. Kia tere te karohirohi. I mua, I tō huarahi. Tihei mauri ora! Kia ora! And I'm going to do that karakia for you one more time, but I'm going to do it in English to help our tamariki just understand those kupu a little bit better. It goes like this. Peace be everywhere,
Peace be.
and let the oceans for your journey be calm, glistening like greenstone. And the shimmering light across the water will guide your journey. Ooh, it's good to be alive. Kia ora. If you can hear someone in the background, it's probably my son Jarden. Hi Jarden.
Hello.
Kia ora.
Hello. And that's Ivy.
So, we've done our karakia. Time now to start warming up the voice. And we're going to warm up with Haka ma. This is one your parents will remember from their days at primary school. It goes like this. Haka ma na para taua ngā whā. E heke mene pere teo e nge whē. Ihiki mini piri tiwingi fi. Good. O hoko mono poro tō ngō whā. Hit your vowel sounds. A, e, I, o, u. Uhuku munu puru tuumufu. Kia ora. Ka pai. Now you probably figured out that the sequence of consonants remains the same, and that through each line it's just the vowel sounds that change. Ka pai? So let me grab my raku raku and we'll give this one a red hot go. Some of my students in the background, you guys will know how many times do we sing this song? That's right, we do it 3 times. We do a practice, which we've just done. Then we do a medium fast. And then we'll do a super fast. You ready? Toru fa. Haka mana para tawanga fa. E heke mene pere te wingi fe. I hiki mini piri te wingi fi. O hoko mono poro tawanga fa. Vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. Kia ora. Are you ready for super fast?
Ready for us.
Let's do it. Toru fa. Haka mana para tawanga fa. Eke mene pere te wingi fe. Iki mini piri te wingi fi. Hoko mono poro tawanga fa. A, E, I, O, U. Uku mono poro tawanga fa. Kia ora. I can hear some of my students in the background screaming out, faster, faster. Not today. Let's maybe leave that for another day. Kapa? That warm voice, hey? Is it getting there? Let's move on to another little warm-up song then. I love this one, and the tamariki will love it too. Repeat after me. Paki paki. Kia ora. E oma. There we go. Kani kani. E peke. And e moi. Ka pai. Tamariki ma. Are you ready? Paki paki toru fa. Paki 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 tamariki ma. Paki 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 tamariki ma. E oma tamariki ma. E oma tamariki ma. My favorite, kani kani. Kani 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 tamariki ma. Kani 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 tamariki ma. E peke tamariki ma. E peke tamariki ma. E moi tamariki ma. Tamariki ma. Ka pai. In te reo Māori, when we want to wake someone up, we say, e oho! Morena whanau, kia ora. For those of you who logged in yesterday, we also warmed up with Mahunga Pakahiwi. Because this is our first official lesson, let's do this one again. Mahunga.
Here we go, mahunga.
Pakahiwi.
Pakahiwi.
Puku. Hope. Wai. Ka pai. Taringa. Fatu. Ihu. Waha. Ka pai. Let's pick it up. Toru. Fa. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope wai wai. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope wai wai. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope wai wai. Taringa fatu ihu wahae. Ka pai. So, let's go one more time for Mahunga Pakahiwi. This time I don't want to hear you saying Pakahiwi. And I don't want to hear you saying Hope. We're not going to say Taringa. And we're not going to say Waha. Okay? No Pakahiwi, no Hope, no Taringa, no Waha. Toru, Fa. Mahunga, Puku, Wai Wai. Mahunga, Puku, Wai Wai. Mahunga, Puku, Wai Wai. Fatu ihu. Ka pai. Did you manage to get that right?
No.
Oh, that's great. Samara didn't. Oh, our first waiata for today, tamariki ma, is tūtira mai ngā iwi. And here's how we're going to do every song. every song we'll do at least 3 times. The first time we do a song, we're going to go through the pronunciation. For some of our whanau that are just learning Kapa Haka for the first time, okay? I'll say the words, you say the words back. And then we'll do a singing round. I'll sing the words, you sing the words back. And then on the 3rd and 4th round, let's just jam. Ka pai? After me. Tū tira mai,
Tūtira mai,
ngā iwi.
nā iwi.
Tātou, tātou e.
Tātou, tātou e.
Good. Tū tira mai ngā iwi.
Tūtira mai, nā iwi.
Tātou, tātou e.
Tātou, tātou e.
Whaia,
Whaia,
te māramatanga.
te māramatanga.
Me te aroha.
Me te aroha.
E ngā iwi.
E ngā iwi.
Kia tapatahi. Kia tapatahi. Kia kotahira. Kia kotahira. Tātou, tātou e.
Tātou, tātou e.
Ka pai. Baby, can you check everything's going on your phone? Kia ora. I'll sing, you sing, I'll sing, you sing. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Good. Tātou, tātou e. Tātou, tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tātou, tātou e. Tātou, tātou e. Good. Whaia te māramatanga. Whaia te māramatanga. Me te aroha. Me te aroha. E ngā iwi kia kotapatahi, kia kotahira. E ngā iwi kia tapatahi, kia kotahira. Tātou, tātou e. Tātou, tātou e. Ah, boy. Are you ready to jam? Let's do it. Got my raku raku here ready to go. Might start us off in C actually, hey? Tūtira mai ngā toru whā. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. I couldn't hear you saying "oh at home." Okay, make sure the neighbours can hear you. Oh, okay. Toru whā. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tātou, tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tātou, tātou e. Whaia te māramatanga. Me te aroha. E ngā iwi kia kotapatahi, kia kotahira. Tātou, tātou e. Kia ora. Let's do one more with some actions, eh? Here we go. Ki raro. Hands down, we're waiting. Hope, we're ready to go. Tūtira mai, toru whā. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, kia ora. Tātou, tātou e. Tūtira. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tātou, tātou e. Whaia te māramatanga. Me te aroha. E ngā iwi kia tapatahi, kia kotahira. Tātou, tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tātou, tātou e. Bit faster, eh? Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tātou, tātou e. Whaia te māramatanga. Me te aroha. E ngā iwi kia tapatahi, kia kotahira. Tātou, tātou e. Tātou, tātou. Tāhiru a toru whā. He au ahi. Kia ora. Were you there at the end?
Have you put in this one?
Oh, fantastic. Ka pai whanau.
Put it there?
one of my favourite songs. The song is called Pūrea Nei. It's a lovely song. It's not as energetic as Tūtira Mai, but it's just as beautiful in the message. So here we go. After me. Pūrea Nei,
Pūrea nei.
e te hau.
E te hau.
Horoia, horoia, e te ua.
E te ua.
Whiti whitia,
Whiti whitia.
e te rā.
E te rā.
Mahea,
Mahe.
ake ngā,
Ake nā.
pōraruraru.
Pōrauraru.
That's a cool word, eh? Pōraruraru.
Pōrauraru.
Makere ana,
Makare ara.
ngā here.
Nā here.
Ka pai. So, let's go through this waiata one more time. I'll sing, you sing, I'll sing, you sing. You ready? Toru after me. Pūrea nei,
Pūrea nei.
e te hau.
E te hau.
Horoia,
Pōraia.
e te ua.
E te ua.
Whiti whitia,
Whiti whitia.
e te rā.
E te rā.
Mahea ke ngā, poraruraru.
Not now.
Makere ana ngā here. Makere ana ngā here. That's perfect. Well done. Tell you what, whanau. Let's have a jam, eh? Hey, look, if you're struggling to pick the words up at that pace, it's okay. You can always log back on and revisit the session on another time. And what I will do, as we sing it through, I'll yell out some words just to prompt you to help you along. Kapa? Here we go. Try and find the right key for everyone.
Oh.
Might be a bit high for me, but it should be perfect for the kids. Pūrea nei, toru, wha. Pūrea nei, e te hau. E te hau. Horoia. Horoia. E te ua. Whiti whiti. Whiti whitia. Te rā, mahea ake ngā, mahea ake ngā, pōraruraru, pōraruraru, makere ana, ngā here. Makere ana, ngā here. Kia ora, ka pai. Should we do it one more time with some actions, eh? Kia ora. Now, I've already put these actions into reverse, okay? So as you're watching the screen, if I'm going to this side, I want you going to that side as well. Does that make sense? So if I want you to hold up your right hand, I'm going to be holding up my left. Ka pai? And if I want you to point to the left, then I'm going to be pointing to the right. Ka pai? So you just look at me as if I was the mirror. Ka pai? Ki raro, pope, pūrea nei, scoop clap, toru, wha. Pūrea nei, e te hau, horoia. Horoia, e te ua. Whiti whiti, whiti whitia. E te rā, mahea ake, mahea ake ngā, pōraruraru, pōraruraru. Makere ana. Makere ana. Ngahere. Makere ana. Makere ana. Ngahere. Hey! Kapa. Were you there at the end? Ah, that's fantastic. Kapa toko te mahi. That's really good work. Let's have a look now at another waiata. Don't forget whanau. A little bit of wai Māori never goes astray during Kapa Haka.
What's in that?
Delicious.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
You might have heard me refer to the water as being wai Māori, kapai, and that's how we describe fresh water in the Māori language. Kapai, fresh water, wai Māori. Kia ora. This song is called Pūrere Hua, and it was written by the same guy that just wrote Pūrea Nei, here in Melbourne. Really fantastic poet. I talk about him all the time. He's absolutely wonderful compositions. And this is one of the many. It's called Pūrere Hua, and this is our butterfly song. We capped it yesterday, so let's semi-rush through it today. Kapai. For those of you that are just joining, keep up. Here we go. Pūrere Hua. Okay, here's what happened. I said, Pūrere Hua, and then you guys all went, Pūrere Hua. Okay, I need the energy. Same energy that I'm giving you. Give it to me back. Here we go. Pūrere Hua. That's better. Rere runga ho. Good. Papa ki pariro. Papa ki pariro. Rere runga ho. Rere runga ho. Nice. Ka piki ka piki. Runga rawa e. Papa ki pariro. Can't play. Did you copy just like me? Fantastic. Here we go. Pūrere hua. Rere runga ho. Papa ki pariro. Rere runga ho. Ka piki ka piki. Kapai, when you do kapiki, make sure you give it the, yeah? Kapiki. That's good. Rungarawa e. Papa ki pariro, rere runga ho. Papa ki pariro, rere runga ho. Wonderful, wonderful tamariki ma. Let's go through all of Pūrere Hua with the actions. Are you ready? Okay. Kiraro, hope, kiraro, hope. Let's go. Toru, fa. Pūrere hua, rere runga ho. Papa ki pariro, rere runga ho. Ka piki runga rawa e. Papa ki pariro, rere runga ho. Ka piki runga rawa e. Papa ki pariro, rere runga ho. Kia ora. Ka pai. Now those actions are really easy. You got this one, double clap, that one, two arms up, follow it down. I'm going to use the guitar, but I need you at home to keep doing the actions and try as much of the singing as you can. Ka pai? Here we go. Taku raku tēnei, this is my guitar. Papa ki pariro, rere runga ho. Ka piki runga rawa e. Papa ki pariro, rere runga ho. Ka piki runga rawa e. Papa ki pariro, rere runga ho. Ah, kia ora, ka pai. I got Samara in the background. She's giving me a little bit of advice, and it's come to my attention that I just stood in front of the words for all of that last one. So why don't I jump on this side, and we'll do that One more time. Ka pai. Pūrere hua. Rere runga hau. Ka pai. Up. Down again. Ka pai. Easy as.
It's a very popular song.
Pūrere hua. Rere runga hau. Papaki parira. Rere runga hau. Ka piki runga rawa e. Papaki parira. Rere runga hau. Ka piki runga rawa e. Papaki parira. Rere runga hau. Oh, kia ora. Ka pai, I love that song too. Yeah. All right. I think we've got time for at least one more song before we have a look at our haka for the day. Samara will give me a, you're taking too long.
You're on 4 minutes.
Ka pai. Let's go with our the screen's not changing. It's done that thing again. Okay, give me 1 second, whanau, 1 second.
Ivy, go over there. Go stand by Papa.
That's alright. Hey, it happened to us yesterday as well. Screen froze like halfway through, but that's okay because this next song is super easy anyway. We're going to learn the words and the actions at the same time. Now this waiata is called a waiata kanikani. It's a dancing song. Ka pai. So if you do it like this, then you're doing it wrong. Okay? Repeat after me. Karangamai. Karangamai. And then we go to the other side. Karangamai.
Karangamai.
P-Y.
P-Y.
Waka-e. Waka-e. Ka pai. Step to the right. Tuki-tuki mai. Tuki-tuki mai. Other side. Tuki-tuki mai. Tuki-tuki mai. P-Y. Waka-e. Ka pai. Let's recap that first part. Yep. It goes. Karangamai. Karangamai. P-Y waka-e. Tuki-tuki mai. Tuki-tuki mai. P-Y waka-e. He manu. We go. He manu. Kori. Kori. Ka pai. Make sure on kori kori, your hips and your shoulders are moving together. Let's do that one again. He manu. Kori, kori, he manu, fio, fio, P, Y, wa, ka, e. Easy? Yeah, I thought so. Kiraro, hope. Let's go 2 more times. Once, let's sing it normally. Second time through, let's go super fast just to be super silly. Ka pai? Kiraro, hope, kiraro, hope, karangamai, toru fa. Karangamai, karangamai, piwai waka e. Tuki tuki mai, tuki tuki mai, piwai waka e. He manu, kori, kori. He manu, fio, fio, P-Y, waka, e. Ka pai. Now, in this next one, when we go super, super fast, I don't want you to knock into the person next to you when you go for tuki tuki mai, ka pai. The other thing as well is when we get to the end and we go P-Y, waka, e. I want you to hold the eh for as long as you can. Ka pai. Let's have a competition nationwide, parts of Japan and all of Australia, to see who can hold that key the longest. Are you ready? Here we go. Kia ora, hope, karangamai, toru, fa. Karangamai. I said super fast and then I went super slow. I'm only joking. Are you ready? Toru, fa. karanga mai, piwai waka e. Tuki mai, piwai waka e. He manu, kori, he manu, fio, piwai waka e. I'm done. You're still going. Sure, I heard you take a breath.
Roman, he's doing great.
Roman's doing great.
Roman at Ranwick.
Kia ora, Kapa. That's lovely. So I tell you what, whanau, let's just take a moment now to switch from that lovely happy song to something a little bit more serious, which is our haka. Just because it's serious doesn't mean it can't be fun, okay? The fun in haka comes from the energy that you use to express yourself. And the haka today is going to be really, really easy. I'm going to do it and you're going to repeat it after me. We'll do it 3 times. Pronunciation, warm up, full strength. Pronunciation, warm up, full strength. Do you like how I do full strength? Yeah, me too. Kiraro. Hope, still smiling. Kiraro. Kite haka. Kiamo. So let's go through the pronunciation and the actions. After me. He toa, he toa.
He to, he to.
Kia maia, kia maia.
Kia maya, kia maya.
He toa, he toa.
He to, he to.
Kia maia, kia maia.
Kia maya, kia maya.
Good. He kakano.
He kakano.
Rui a mai, irangi atea, irangi atea. Hey!
Hey.
Ka pai whanau, beautiful. I love a good haka in the morning.
Linena.
So, here's what we do.
Hi.
We're going to bump it up to full strength right now.
Hi.
But we're still going to do repeats, okay? I'll go first, you repeat after me. I'll go first, you repeat after me. Now let's go full strength haka, yeah? If you were here yesterday or you've worked with me before, what are our 3 haka rules? What are the 3 haka guidelines that keep us safe? That's right, strong face. Strong face is my nice way of saying, please don't smile in the haka. Nothing will ruin a haka like a smile. Okay? You can get all the words wrong and you can make some mistakes in the actions, and that's forgivable. But when you smile in the haka, it's done. The second thing, strong actions. Kapai? We want to have strong actions. We don't want to haka. That's not haka. Okay? And the last one, we want a strong voice. Now, a strong voice isn't just being crazy loud, it's also making sure that our pronunciation is beautiful. If we've got a message, we want somebody to hear it. Kapai? So keep your haka sound nice and clean. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Kiraro! Kita haka! Come on! Just a reminder, I'm going first, you're going after me. Alright? Hato! Hato! Kamaya! Kamaya!
Kia maya, kia maya.
Hato! Hato!
He to, he to.
Kamaya! Kamaya!
Kia maya, kia maya.
Hekakano!
He kakano.
Rui amai!
Rui amai.
Irangi atea!
Irangi atea.
Hey!
Hey.
Oh, kia ora! Oh, so much mauri! So much energy. That's beautiful, whanau. That's beautiful. I said we were going to do it 3 times. We did the pronunciation. We just done the build-up one then. The last one's going to be really tricky because I'm not going to stop. I'm going to do the whole haka in its entirety. I'm going to go through that whole section. And I want you to follow me. I want you to keep up with me. I want you to try and do it with me.
Ready?
And if that means you can just do the actions and make some crazy sounds that don't even make sense, then that's absolutely fine. Okay? I just want you to see this haka, this short part of the haka. I just want you to see it. And I want you to try it. Do all the actions. Try some kupu. Just give it a red hot go. No pressure to be amazing. Okay? Here we go, whanau.
Ready?
Kiraro. Still smiling. Hope. Still smiling. Kiraro. Still smiling. Kita haka. Come on. Heto. Toru. Fa. Heto. Heto. Kamaya. Kamaya. Heto. Heto. Kamaya. Kamaya. Hekakano. Ruia mai. Irangiate. Hui. Da. Kia ora. Did you keep up with me? Did you try the actions? Did you try some of the words?
Yeah.
Did you just make up some words?
Yeah.
If you said yes to any of that, I'm so proud of you. Kapa. You guys were wonderful. Give yourselves a round of applause.
11:40.
Kia ora. Ah, that was beautiful. Hey, whanau, so we aim to do 30 minutes. It's always going to run over time. Kapai. But this is basically the format that we'll follow tomorrow and next week as well. Kapai. We'll start off with a mihi. We greet one another. We do our karakia and we'll understand a little bit about it. We'll go through some songs to warm up with. Then we'll learn some songs, some waiata aringa, some waiata pōwhiri. We'll have a look at a haka every session as well. And then at the end, I might just give you some homework. Yeah? I think technically because you're already at home, it's just called work. Yeah? So, here we go, whanau. I've got an interesting one for you today. I sincerely hope, actually, that most of you have already engaged in this app. But the name of this app is called Kupu. K-U-P-U. And the Kupu app looks like this. And I'm going to put a link to the Kupu app in the comments, or actually I'll just post it straight to my page. Kapai? Straight to the Matua Whaitiri Poutawa page. Click into Kupu and it brings up a camera screen. I'm going to take a photo of that. It says loading. This is a first generation iPad 2, so it's super slow. And look at that, it's come up with the word guitar. Can you see that? It says guitar. And then right up the top here in the middle, it's got the Māori word for guitar, which is raku raku. But perhaps you don't know how to pronounce Māori words yet. Well, here's the good thing. Click on the speak. I'll do it again because I was talking over it. It says the words for you. Kapai? So here's what I want you to do. Download the Kupu app. And every day, I want you to photograph 5 things in your house. Learn the words. Click on it. Use the words. Kapai? You don't have to use it in a te reo Māori sentence, but simply just by picking up a word here and there, like raku raku, kapai, that's going to help with your te reo Māori vocabulary, and it's a really interesting one. And look, if guitar isn't what you took a photo of, you can select from some different options down the bottom, or you can simply enter in the word of the object that you are looking at. Kapai? That's the Kupu app. I want you to download it, and I want you to look at 5 things a day and start learning the Māori words or the Māori names for things around the house, or even for things around the yard. Kapai? Hey whanau, thank you for joining in. I'll be here again going live tomorrow at 11 o'clock on the same channel. Hey, if you want to join me, that's absolutely great. But if you're busy and you miss a session, it's all good. The way that I structure the sessions is that whatever you can make, you can join in on. Kapai? You don't have to get along to every session. Just join me whenever you can. I'll make the video available on the page later on today, and then if you want to revisit any of it throughout the week, that's great. Kapa. Thank you so much. Keep shouting out, and sorry I couldn't shout out to everyone, but yeah, awesome. Kia pai tō koutou rā. Have a lovely